Justin from Bittner Built, and this is the Milwaukee M18 XC 5.0 Starter Kit, model 48591850. This kit retails for $199 at the big box stores, but our friends over at SafetySourceSupply.com have this kit for a factory new in-box incredible price of $99. That's 50% off, which is insane. So if you're looking to get in on the Milwaukee platform or you're an old pro, this is an excellent opportunity for you to buy a great battery at an even better price. Let's go ahead and take a look at this kit. Both M12 batteries can be inserted and M18 batteries for charging. Once inserted, you'll notice that there's a green light and a red light. Red light indicates that it is charging. Green light indicates that it is fully charged. This unit is made of a textured plastic material. It does have a very hollow sound to it. Has lots of venting for the battery cooling. On the back, there's a nice indicator that lets you know the distance between your screws is 4 inches if you wish to wall mount this unit. When charging batteries, whether the M12 or M18, there's an audible hiss coming from the unit. Looking at this battery, it has a height at its tallest point of 2.91 inches. At its lowest point, well, I guess that'd be here, 1.98 inches. The total width is 4.6 inches, 3.9 inches. The unit has a battery indicator button, which nicely animates. The unit has 2 buttons that must be depressed simultaneously, so this does require 2 fingers in order to do this. The amount of force that's required to do this is moderate. The unit has a textured plastic housing with a sticker on the side that is nicely textured as well. The bottom is a rubberized feeling material that gives grip, which is nice. The bottom showcases all of its important safety data. The top is made of a slicker, cheaper feeling plastic. So that's the Milwaukee M18 Starter Kit. I'm Justin Bittner, and you can find me on YouTube at my channel, Bittner Built, where we do woodworking projects and tool reviews. And of course, make sure you go to SafetySourceSupply.com, where you can get this battery kit at an incredible 50% off retail. Of all the amazing prices on SafetySourceSupply.com, the crazy prices on batteries just gets me every time. Stay safe in the shop, and I'll see you in the next video.